starting on a new project, a lap quilt for my husband with a special ending. And I have this fabric, there we go, with the guitars on it. My husband is a musician besides other things. And what I plan on doing is cutting 10-inch squares out of this because it's such a large print. And then the alternate blocks will have strips out of coordinating fabrics. See the blue? In the blue, I have a little bit of this left. A little bit of this left. I found some red and black. It doesn't have any flames, but I have that. I have some orange, some bright yellow to go with the yellow ones. But primarily I'm going to be cutting 10-inch squares. So if you have a large print and you don't know what to do with it, cut that square large and then make your alternate blocks something else. In my case, I'm going to make 2 to 3 strips to equal the large block. In this case, I'm making a 10-inch block. And I didn't have quite enough to make it as large as I want. I went back to the quilt store that I originally bought this fabric. It is Rock Legends from Canvas. Isn't that cool? Well, they didn't have, excuse the noise, this, but they had this, which has the same colors with the hot rods in it. He likes cars, so I'm going to alternate the last, I think I need three more 10-inch squares. I'm going to alternate with those. And I picked up a couple more fat quarters of red. This is a darker red, and it has circles in it. I thought it was manly. That could go. And this one is a little brighter red, and it has that mottled look. It's not a grunge, it's something else. And that could go. Might look good with the music notes. I have this funky stripe. Don't know if I'm going to use that. And I'm thinking about putting sashing between the blocks, but I don't know what color. I have some of this, but not enough to do sashing. I don't know where this is from. Harmony cotton. I have a bunch of this. I think this is just from Joann's. But if I do black, it might clash with this black, which is the softer black with a light black design in it. So we'll have to think about sashing and what color to do. I really do like the blue. That blue guitar to me just really pops. We might just have to ask the husband, huh? Okay, well this is just part 1. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and start cutting out these 10-inch squares. That's the hardest part. When you cut out your main fabric and it makes you so nervous. Okay, let me start cutting. all the squares are done. I have 15 with the cars and the guitars. I can't seem to show you. Guitars, 15. Now I need 15 alternative blocks. Now if you're going to do 2 strips, they need to be 10 inches long. 2 strips would be 5.5. 5.5 by 10.5. Okay?